asked AI.
Muslims make up about 1/5 of the world's population, and they live in countries all over the globe. Muslim cultures are diverse and complex, but there are some common values and practices that many Muslims share. Here are 10 things that Western countries can learn from Muslim countries. 1. Community. Muslims place a high value on community and social responsibility. They often have strong ties to their families, friends, and neighbors. This sense of community can help to reduce crime and poverty, and it can provide support to people in need. 2. Generosity. Muslims are known for their generosity and hospitality. They are often willing to help others, even if they don't know them very well. This generosity can be seen in the many charitable organizations that Muslims support. 3. Family. Muslims value strong family ties. They see their families as a source of support and love. This strong family structure can help to protect children and provide a sense of stability for adults. 4. Education. Muslims believe that education is important for everyone. They encourage their children to go to school and to pursue higher education. This commitment to education has helped to raise the literacy rate and standard of living in many Muslim countries. 5. Tolerance. Muslims are taught to be tolerant of other religions and cultures. They believe that everyone has the right to practice their own faith and to live their own lives. This tolerance can help to promote peace and understanding in the world. 6. Hard work. Muslims are known for their hard work and dedication. They believe that it is important to work hard and to support their families. This hard work ethic has helped to build strong economies in many Muslim countries. 7. Perseverance. Muslims are taught to be patient and to persevere in the face of challenges. They believe that God is with them and that He will help them to overcome any difficulty. This perseverance can help Muslims to achieve their goals and to make a positive impact on the world. 8. Forgiveness. Muslims are taught to forgive others, even those who have wronged them. They believe that forgiveness is a sign of strength and that it can help to heal relationships. This forgiveness can help to promote peace and reconciliation in the world. 9. Gratitude. Muslims are taught to be grateful for what they have. They believe that everything they have is a gift from God. This gratitude can help Muslims to appreciate the good things in their lives and to be content with what they have. 10. Simplicity. Muslims are taught to live simple lives. They avoid materialism and focus on the more important things in life, such as faith, family, and community. This simplicity can help Muslims to live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. These are just a few of the things that Western countries can learn from Muslim countries. Muslim cultures are rich and diverse, and they have much to offer the world. By learning from Muslim countries, Western countries can become more tolerant, compassionate, and just societies. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.